This is our QuickSet low profile board. Our low profile board we mainly use for our garage doors. You can use it for rebates, deep rebates as well. The way that we use it is it's 255 mils high. It's got a single rail instead of the double rail which you see over here. Obviously that's a 305 board, 255mm board, you see the height difference. Now the difference being when you feed all your widgets in, you've got a widget that locks your stirrup in, you still need your widget that goes back to the mesh, okay? So the way it works is widget for your stirrup, widget for your mesh in between the stirrups, and then so on, the whole way down. So you still need to attach back to the mesh, but everything's in that single rail, okay? So it's a little bit lower, and you're able to get your garage door rebate on there. So the way that we form up our garage door rebates is we take a bit of timber like so, we basically line it up with the top of our 305 board, put a laser on it where you need to get the right height, and essentially that screws to the face, and then our rebate will screw to that. Once the concrete goes off, the rebate's removed, they'll bull nose into that product, and then later you remove that to expose the bull nose and then your driveway. So what I'll do is I'll form this up, and then I'll let you have a look at it and see what it looks like. Now we've got our board screwed to the face of our low profile board. We've used self-tapping screws that basically have a drill head on it that drill through the formwork itself and through the aluminium back rail, so it makes it nice and sturdy. Now, then we've marked where our rebate's going to sit. You obviously just follow however you guys do your rebate, you just do it the exact same way. But this gives you the timber to essentially get your rebate and then screw your rebate onto whatever height set you normally do. One thing that I'm going to say, that when you've got your mesh under here, you still obviously have to tie back to your widgets and just work on your clearances, right? So you don't have much clearance under here because of the stirrup. So keep your if it's got two bars at the top, keep the bar back to the middle hole, keep your hockey sticks back to the middle hole, try not to bunch your steel up, keep your mesh tied down low. If you still need more clearance, if you feel like there's not enough clearance here, you can actually use an angle grinder, cut the top of the stirrup down to the bottom of the holes, just to give that mesh a little bit more of a chance to bend down. But essentially you want to bend that mesh down tight to the stirrup, then form your rebate, just checking on that clearance.